Marriage covenant path. A husband thrives when he is respected, supported, accepted, partnered with, and intimately connected. He is diminished by disrespect, control, public criticism, and attitudes that belittle masculinity. Facilitators should emphasize a biblical vision of marriage where a wife's posture significantly shapes her husband's flourishing. Men are created as image bearers of God with distinct wiring and instincts. What a husband essentially needs from his wife. Biblical submission. Colossians 3 verse 18. Wives, submit to your husbands, as is fitting in the Lord. Submission is framed as alignment, support, and honoring his God-given role. Respect. Ephesians 5 verse 33. The wife must respect her husband. Respect communicates value, trust, and honor. Acceptance of his maleness. Embrace his masculine wiring rather than critique it. Completion through partnership. Genesis 2 verses 23 to 24. She is his God-designed partner. Together they become one flesh. A man thrives when his wife stands beside him as a completer, not a competitor. Intimacy. Men need both sexual connection and relational support. Song of Solomon 8 verse 10 illustrates how intimacy brings contentment. What a man does not need. Female chauvinism. Behaviors that undermine a husband's confidence and masculinity. Eye-rolling or dismissive comments. That's just like a man. Jokes that demean men. Treating him like a child. Trying to control him. Believing women are superior. Joining complain about men conversations. Discrediting his decisions, dreams, or masculinity. Criticizing him publicly. Withholding constructive criticism until it becomes disrespectful. Criticizing your husband in front of children and friends. Discrediting husband's decisions, dreams, and masculinity. In a world filled with confusion, broken patterns, and shifting values, couples find themselves longing for clarity, direction, and hope. Reflect the beauty of God's covenant design for your marriage and family.